Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Hello, guys. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Desta Putranto. I am the student on non-reg management at Jakarta State University. At this time, I'm already in the kitchen and I know what I want to do. On this occasion, I will explore the profession. This time, I will explore the chef profession. What is the chef profession? First, we will find out first in facing global competition, what must be prepared by a professional chef? What are the technical and non-technical skills that chef must have? A professional chef must have adequate technical and non-technical skill to able to carry out his duties well. The following are some technical and non-technical skill that a professional chef must have: the technical capability and non-technical capability. What is the technical capability on the chef? The technical capability on the chief, you have basic knowledge of food and beverage, such as ingredients, cooking techniques, and presentation to customer. And the two, cooking skill, including the ability to operate kitchen equipment, process food ingredients, and make various kind of dish. This is the increase your skill. The third ability is ability to maintain clean lines, but personal hygiene, kitchen equipment, and the work environment. The fourth technique capability is ability to calculate food ingredients and production costs for the food and beverage. And then the last technical capability, you can problem solving ability to overcome various problems that may occur in the kitchen. On the technical capabilities, the chef can non-technical ability. The first, communication skill, both verbal and written, to communicate with coworker, customer, and suppliers. The second, non-technical ability, collaborative ability, to work together with colleagues in a team in the kitchen. The third, leadership ability, to lead a team in the kitchen. And the fourth, adaptability, to face change in the work environment. Learning ability, to continue learning and developing skill. Apart from the technical and non-technical skill mentioned above, a professional chief must also have positive attitude such as discipline, honesty, and responsibility. Here are some example of how to technical and non-technical skill can be applied in the chef's job. The first, technical cooking skill are used to create delicious dishes that meet standard. The second, communication skill are used to communicate with customer about menus and their order. The third, collaborative skill are used to collaborate with colleagues to prepare this in a short time. Leadership, four, are used to lead the team in the kitchen and ensure that our work is done well. By having strong technical and non-technical skill, a professional chef can carry out his duties well and provide satisfaction to customer in hotel or restaurant. The second, chef is profession that requires adequate skill and knowledge. To be able to compete in increasingly competitive culinary industry, chefs need to continue to develop themselves. Here are some self-development strategies that chefs can use. The first, education and training. Education and training is one of the most effective ways to develop oneself. Chef can take course or training to learn new skill such as cooking technique, ingredient knowledge, and kitchen management. And the self-development, the second, read books and article. In the era globalization, reading books and articles about culinary arts can also help chefs to develop themselves. Chefs can learn a variety of recipes, cooking technique, and the latest culinary trend. The third, watch video tutorial on YouTube. Video tutorial can be interesting and informative learning resource. Chef can learn various cooking techniques, recipes, and tips from professional chefs. The fourth, try new recipes. Trying the new recipe can help chefs develop their creativity and cooking skill. Chef can try recipes from various sources such as books, articles, or video tutorial. And the next, to self-development, take part in culinary competition. Culinary competition can be a means to hone chef skill and knowledge. Chefs can learn from other professional chefs and gain valuable experience to develop their career. Partner with other chefs. Partnering with other chefs can be effective way to develop yourself. Chef can learn from the experience and skill of the other chef. And the next, the development is volunteer. Volunteering can be a good way to gain experience working in a kitchen. Chef can learn from professional chef in restaurant or other institution. By implementing the right self-development strategies, use the chef professional can improve their skill and knowledge so they can compete in increasingly competitive culinary industry. Here are some additional tips for chef self-development. The first, keep learning and practicing. The culinary world is always developing, so chef must always learn and practice to keep up with this development. Don't be afraid to try new things. Creative chef can create interesting and innovate this. Be positive and professional. A professional attitude will help chef to be successful in his career. And the next, the topic, chef work schedule are generally quite busy, especially in busy restaurant or hotel. Chefs typically work from 8 to 12 hours a day or 5 to 7 days a week. A shift work schedule can also change depending on the needs of the restaurant or hotel. For example, chefs may have to work long hours at busy days such as weekend or special event. The following is example of chef work schedule in restaurant. In the morning, arrive at restaurant and prepare food ingredients for cooking. At the lunch, the chef cook dish for the lunch for the customer. In the afternoon, cooking dish for dinner. In the evening, clean the kitchen and cooking equipment. The chief work rulers are also quite and strict. Chiefs must adhere to various rules such as attendance. Chefs must be present on time and must not leave the workplace without permission. Clothing. Chef must wear clean and neat work clothes. Cleanliness. Chief must keep themselves, cooking equipment, and work environment clean. Safety. Chef must comply with work safety regulation in the kitchen. In addition to the rules above, chef must also comply with other regulations set by the restaurant or hotel where they work. For example, chef may have to follow standard operation procedure (SOP) set by a restaurant or hotel. Tips for following a safe work schedule and rules. Here are some of following safe work schedule and rule. First, be a disciplined and responsible person. Focus on work and don't get carried away by other things. Maintain health and stamina so you can work well. Communicate well with colleagues and superior. By following the work schedule and rules properly, Dev can work effectively and efficient. So they can provide the best work result. In the next topic is ergonomic. Ergonomic is science that studies the interaction between humans and their work environment. Ergonomics aims to design a safe, comfortable, and productive and work environment. Here are something to consider for ergonomics in the workplace. The first, working position. The chief working position should be comfortable and not cause strain on the body. Kitchen utensil and equipment should be placed in the position it easy to reach. The second, table and chair height. The height of the table and chair must be adjusted to chip's height. Proper sitting position can help prevent back injuries. Lighting. Lighting in the kitchen should be bright enough to make it easier for chefs to see food ingredient and cooking utensil. Fairly bright light in the kitchen. Air circulation. Air circulation in the kitchen must be smooth to prevent excessive heat and humidity. Cleanliness. The kitchen must always be clean and hygienic to prevent the spread of disease. Apart from paying attention to ergonomic factors, it also important to provide quality kitchen equipment and supplies. Quality kitchen tools and equipment can help chef work more safely and efficiently. The next topic, chef work ethic refers to standard of behavior expected of a chief in his job. A chief work ethic important to maintain professionalism in the kitchen and ensuring that the food served is safe and delicious. Here are some important work ethic that chef must have. Discipline. Chef must be disciplined in their work, but in terms of attendance, time, and test. Responsibility. Chef must be responsible for their work from preparation of ingredients to presentation of dishes. Cleanliness. Chef must keep themselves, cooking equipment, and work environment clean. Safety. Chef must comply with work safety regulation in the kitchen. Cooperation. Chef must be able to work well with colleagues and superior. Communication. Chef must be able to communicate well both orally and in writing. Apart from the work ethics, chief must also have positive and professional attitude. A positive and professional attitude will help a chief to be successful in his career. Here are some tips for implementation work ethic. Learn and understand the chief work ethic. The second, be professional at work, and the third, be positive, friendly to coworker and customer. And finally, and the last, communicate will with coworker and supplier. Okay, this is the final of topic for the profession of sales. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.